Daniel,
Yes.
can you tell me if like the homeowner like trying to ignore this problem for another 6 months, like what would happen?
Anything could happen. The hoses on the top of the water heater could leak. The tank itself could start leaking from the bottom or from anywhere really, because at the bottom you have a bunch of calcium from the water heater. So sometimes it can cause it where you hear popcorn noises coming from your attic because it's the water heater, all that calcium at the bottom. So whenever the water heater turns on, it basically makes that calcium jump around like if you were making popcorn in the microwave.
So it's not necessary a raccoon on the roof.
Not necessary to what? I'm sorry,
A
what?
raccoon.
Yeah, no. It's from the water heater itself. It's because all that calcium built up over the years.
Alright, thank you.